Welcome to our phonics class. I am teacher Luis.
And my name is Teacher Nook.
Okay. This is period 11 and today we'll be learning the sound of this letter, which is the letter H. And the sound of the letter H is okay, I want you to repeat after teacher. And the action for the letter H is what we're going to do is to put our hand in front of our mouth and feel the air coming out from our mouth, okay? Just breathe air out of your lungs. Okay, can we do that one? 1, 2, 3, go. Excellent, okay? So we will be learning the sound of the letter H. But before that, Teacher Nook will teach us a brain gym to keep us ready and active.
เด็กๆคะวันนี้เราจะมาเริ่มต้นการเรียนเสียงใหม่ด้วยการทำ brain gym ด้วยกันนะคะ brain gym วันนี้ของเราเนี่ยจะช่วยกระตุ้นสมองของเด็กๆนะคะให้เลือดเนี่ยขึ้นไปเลี้ยงสมองเพื่อพร้อมที่จะเรียนรู้เสียงใหม่นะคะตอนนี้ให้เด็กๆชูมือขวาขึ้นนะคะแล้วก็ทำเป็นรูปตัว L แบบนี้นะคะนิ้วโป้งกับนิ้วชี้นะคะเป็นรูปตัว L แบบนี้นะคะแล้วก็วางไว้ตรงที่กระดูกตรงคอนะคะวางไว้นะคะส่วนมือซ้ายเนี่ยแบมือออกนะคะวางไว้บนจับดูนะคะตรงสะดือของเด็กๆตรงท้องนะคะวางไว้ไหนลองหายใจเข้าลึกๆ1 2 3หายใจออก again นะคะ one more time พอเราหายใจเข้าออกแล้วเนี่ยเราจะใช้มือนะคะที่เราทำเป็นรูปตัว L เนี่ยนวดไปที่กระดูกนะคะกระดูกตรงบริเวณคอนะคะลงมาถึงข้างล่างกระดูกจะมีแอ่งนุ่มๆอยู่นะคะให้นวดนะคะแล้วก็หายใจเข้าออกไปพร้อมๆกันช้าๆนะคะเป็นการฝึกสมาธิเด็กๆด้วยนะคะให้เวลา1 นาทีเริ่มเลยค่ะตอนนี้ทิเชอร์คิดว่าเด็กๆพร้อมที่จะเรียนเสียงใหม่กับทิเชอร์ลูอีสแล้วนะคะมือลงเลยค่ะ
Alright, thank you, Teacher Nook. Okay, so I believe you're ready. Okay, you're ready? Okay, so let's learn the sound of this letter. What letter is it? H. And what is the sound of letter H? And the action is? Excellent. Okay, so before that, I want you to listen to the song. Okay, we'll be learning the song in a few minutes after this, okay? Let's listen.
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
Okay, so it's time for us now to learn the song, okay? Are you ready to learn the song?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Good job, okay? So let's read first. Repeat after teacher. I like.
I like.
Oh, excellent. Very good. I like.
I like.
To hop.
To hop.
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 Okay. I like to hop. 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 Can we do that one? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
I like to hop, hop, hop.
Very good. Okay, good job. Now, next one, let's read this one. Up.
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 And down.
And down.
And down.
And down.
Up and down.
Up and down.
All right, so let's do this one first, okay? And after this, teacher will teach you the action, okay? Teacher will be telling you how to do the action for this, okay? So let's start from I until down, okay? Let's read it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for it? Yes, okay. So 1, 2, 3, go.
I like to hop, hop,
hop up and down
Very good. So I like to hop, 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 up and down. Okay, now teacher will teach you the action. I will tell you how to do the action for this song. Okay, so first, I like to hop. So hopping goes like this. Hop, hop, hop. Okay, and then up and down. For first up, as you can see the arrow here, it points up. Okay, so up. Can we do it? Up. Up. Okay, can we do that one? 1, 2, 3, go. Up. Very good. And then, and down.
And
Down.
down,
Down.
down,
Down.
down,
Up
up
and down.
and down
Very good. Okay, so let's try this one. I like to look at teacher. Teacher will demonstrate how to do this one. Okay, so are you ready to look at teacher and listen? Right. So now I like to hop, 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 up and down. Okay, and then this one, it's the same. So you do the same action and then all around. Later on, we will be forming a circle and it will be like all around. Okay, so I want you to read this one. Okay, all,
all
around,
around
all around.
all around
Okay, so you will still sing, I like to hop, 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 all around. Okay, and then you go back to I like to hop, 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 up and down. And then, as you can see here, oh, what letter can you see here? H. And what is the sound again of letter H? And the action is? Very good. So can you do that one? 1, 2, 3, go. All right. So this time, I will demonstrate again from here to here. Okay? So listen, look, okay, and get ready. All right? So I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. That's it, okay? I hope you got it. And now, are you ready to stand up and do the action?
yeah,
Okay, please stand up. Everybody stand up, okay? So let's do from here, from I until down, okay? Let's do from I until the word down, all right? 1, 2, 3, go. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Good job, very good. And then I like to hop, hop, hop all around. You can turn around in your own space, okay? All right, 1, 2, 3, go. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Good
Very
job,
good.
very good. Now, this time, I want you to make a circle. Let's make a circle.
form a circle
Form a circle.
move here can you move here to be the circle that's okay don't hold your hand and look that way
Yes. Okay, can we look? Can we do? Yes.
like this.
Look at this.
ลำแพง that way
Yes. All right. Okay. So this time, Teacher Louise will be playing the song, and then you will sing. I want you to sing and do the action as well. Okay. So let's get ready. Okay, listen and sing.
I like to hop hop hop
up and down.
I like to hop hop hop
all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Very good.
Very good.
Good job. Okay.
Okay.
So now, please
Sit
sit
down,
down.
please.
Sit down. So now
Sit
you
down,
know
please.
how to sing the song, the letter H song. Okay. Very good. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yes. Did you like it?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So now I want you to look at our big book. Okay. So as you can see here, this is our big book, and then we will be listening to a story, okay, about letter H. It's about children having their sports day, okay? So before we start our story, I want you to look at the picture and tell teacher what are the pictures that you can see here, okay? If you want to answer, please raise your hand. Who wants to answer? What are the pictures, Wasa?
Snake.
Oh, very good. There is a snake.
Here.
And what is the color of the snake?
Red.
Red. Okay, it's a red snake. Okay, so the snake is here. What else? What else? Yes.
Bee.
There is a bee. Okay, repeat after teacher. Bee.
B.
Bee.
B.
Bee.
B.
Very good. Okay. Next, yes, what else?
Hat.
There's a hat. Very good. So the teacher, the male teacher, like teacher Louise, is holding a hat. Okay, this is a hat. Repeat again. Hat.
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 Very good. So you put on your hat. Okay. Next. What else? Yes, Rompang. There's a, oh, the children are hopping, like what you did a while ago. You were hopping. So the children in this picture are also hopping. Very good. Okay. So hop.
What else มีภู tie necktie
Ah, necktie. Okay, or a tie. You can say, repeat after teacher, necktie.
necktie
Necktie.
necktie
So teacher is also wearing a necktie.
Necktie.
Or you can say tie. Right. Anything else? Anything else? Can you tell teacher what are the other pictures that you can see here? Yes. Huh?
sunny
Oh, the weather is sunny.
Sunny.
If it's sunny, it is very hot. Repeat after teacher. Hot.
hot
Very good. And this one? Hat.
hat
But it is sunny, it is hot. Okay. Right. So are you ready to listen to this story?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Are you ready to listen? Good job. Okay. So the kids in this school are having sports day. Okay, they are having a sports day. Now, they are, as you can see here, there's a hill.
Hill.
Now, they are having a hopping race. So they need to hop from the hill going down. Okay, from the hill. This is a hill.
Hill.
Can you repeat after teacher? Hill.
hill
Hill.
hill
Okay, a hill is like this. Okay, so they need to hop from on top of the hill going down. And how many students can you see?
4.
4. Okay, so this is Hannah. Her name is Hannah. Can you repeat after teacher? Hannah.
Hannah
Very good. And this boy is Harry.
Harry
Okay, and these are their classmates. Okay, they're friends, they're classmates. And there's teacher Helen. Okay, teacher Helen. Helen is a boy or a girl? Girl. Very good. Teacher Helen is a girl.
ladies
Okay, now, what about this one? He is teacher Hank. Okay, repeat after teacher. Teacher Hank.
teacher Hank
Teacher Hank.
teacher Hank
Very good. So now, teacher Hank called up, okay, let's go up the hill and let's start the hopping race. Okay, so they went up the hill, and now Teacher Hank said 1, 2, 3, go. So they started hopping down the hill. Oh, and as you can see here in the picture, it is who won the race? Hannah. Hannah won the race. But look, she is very tired. She's very tired. Look at the picture. And as she arrived there at the finish line, this is the finish line. Okay? There's a flag. A flag. Can you repeat after teacher? Flag.
flag
Flag.
flag
Okay, so it's a finish line. Hannah was so tired, so she was panting already. Like that. And as she was panting, she was able to produce the H sound also. Like that. Okay? And I think her friends are coming in second and third. Okay? So let's read the words here. Okay? Hot.
hot
Again. Hot.
hot
Help.
help
Help.
help
Happy.
happy
Happy.
happy
Hill.
hill
Okay, and then of course we have hot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Hot. All right. So that is the story about the school having their sports day. Okay. Of course, with our sound, what is it? And the letter is H. And the sound of the letter H is? And what do we do with our action? Very good. Okay, now are you ready to learn the words that starts with the letter H? Are you ready?
yes
Oh, I can hear you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Are you ready there? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So here are the words that starts with, I want you to look at the board. If you know the picture, kindly tell teacher and we can check if it's correct or not. Doesn't matter if you make a mistake, no problem. Okay? What's this picture? Who can tell teacher what is it? Eclair. A hen. Are you sure? Let's check. Okay. Hen. Very good. Okay, it's a hen. Oh, this is a picture of a hen. Now I want you to repeat after teacher. Hen. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, go. Hen.
Hen.
1, 2, 3, go.
hen
Very good. And what about this picture? Who knows it? Who wants to try? Do you want to try? What is it?
Ham.
A ham. Gun said, Teacher Nook, it's a ham.
Let's check.
Let's check if it's ham. Very good, Gun. It's ham. Okay? Let's listen and repeat. Ham.
ham
Ham.
ham
Very good. Now, next picture. A house. That's correct. It's a house, but the more specific term for this one is called a hut. Okay, a hut. Okay, repeat after teacher. Hut.
hot
Hut.
hot
Okay, so this is a hen.
Hen.
This picture is a ham.
Ham.
And this picture is a picture of a hut.
Hut.
Now I want you to read it by yourselves, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Hen.
hen ham hot
Hut. Okay, next. I want you to read just, no need to say hen, just hen, okay? Ham. Hut. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
hen ham hot
Good job. Yes, hen, ham, hut.
hot
All right. Now you learned this picture. I know you know this. You
Here.
learned this one from our big book. What is it? Yes,
Hill.
a hill. Okay, let's check if it's a hill. Very good, Wasa. Hill. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hill.
Good job. Next. Happy. Okay. Happy. Again. Happy. Can you repeat that one, please? Happy. Very good. And this one. Oh, just keep quiet. Just raise your hand if you want to answer. Head. Okay. Let's check if it's head. Very good. Okay. Head. 1, 2, 3, go. Head. Do the action. Head. Excellent. Good job. Okay. And the last one, oh, very easy. You know this one already. I want Tawan. A hat. Okay. Hat. Okay. Can you repeat it? 1, 2, 3, go. Hat. Please repeat that one again. 1, 2, 3, go. Hat. Good job. Okay. So now I guess we have learned all our vocabs for today with the letter H sound. And now I want you to read it by yourselves. Let's try and let's check if you can still remember these set of words. Okay? Are you ready to read? Yeah. Are you ready to read? Yes. Okay, let's start. 1, 2. This time I want you to say hen, hot. Okay? 1, 2 until from hen until hat. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
Hen.
Hot.
Ham. Hill. Happy. Head. Hat.
Very good. So
Very
now you
good.
notice that when you produce the H sound, it's just breathing air coming out from your lungs. Okay? When you're tired, just like Hannah here. Like that. Okay? So it's easy. Now let's repeat and read after teacher. Hen.
Hen.
Hot.
Hot.
Ham.
Ham.
Hill.
Hill.
Happy.
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 Head.
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 Hat.
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 Okay, so these are all the words that starts with what letter? Letter H. And what is the sound of the letter H? And the action for letter H is? Very good. Okay, so are you ready for our next activity?
Yeah.
Very good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So as you can see here, our next activity is called string joining. Okay, we will match pictures with words, which teacher Nook will put here in any order. Okay, and teacher will divide you into 2 groups. Okay, so we will divide you into 2 groups, 5 students here and 5 here. All right. Now, teacher will be giving each one of you a string. Okay. Now, when teacher will call out the word, you will match it with a string. So, for example, teacher Nook has the word there. What word is that?
Hill.
Very good. What word is it?
Hill.
Okay, so for example, the word hill is there, and there are also other words here. Okay, so teacher will call out a word, and then teacher will say, hill. 1, 2, 3, go. So from there, we're gonna do a race. Okay? So as fast as you can, stick and match the pictures with a string right away. So match it with a picture, hill, and the word hill. Is that clear? Is it okay?
Okay.
Very good. Okay, so this is our next activity, string joining activity.
เด็กๆ คะ เดี๋ยวเราจะมาทำกิจกรรมพร้อมกันนะคะ เดี๋ยวทีเชอร์จะแบ่งเด็กๆ ออกเป็น 2 กลุ่มนะคะ แล้วเสร็จแล้วทีเชอร์ก็จะเรียกโอเค Today, now the word is hill สมมตินะคะ Get the orange string เด็กๆ ก็มองหาเชือกสีส้มนะคะ ตัวอย่างตรงนี้เชือกสีส้มเสร็จ วางด้านหนึ่งที่รูปภาพนะคะ แล้วก็ติดอีกด้านหนึ่งที่คำศัพท์คำว่า hill แบบนี้แล้วก็กลับเข้าไปอยู่ในแถวของตัวเองต่อไปเป็นคิวของคนต่อไปนะคะเด็กๆพร้อมหรือยังคะพร้อมแล้วนะคะโอเค they are ready
Alright, so you put the strings in front.
Let's divide into two groups group 1 here and group 2 there
Okay, so we have our words there. Okay, this group will play here, and this group will play on this board. Okay, so teacher will first call out a caller and then the word, okay? Or I will call out the word rather, and then the caller of the string. Pick the caller, the correct caller of the string, and you match it with the picture and the word. You will match the pictures and the word. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so the first one who will be able to match the pictures and word together, you will get 2 points. Okay? Are you ready now? Okay. All right. So the first word. Okay. Wait for teacher to say the color as well, and go. Okay. When teacher says go, you pick the color. Okay. The color of the string. The color of the string is green. Okay, the color of the string is green. Okay, the word is, wait for go, okay? Wait for go. The word is ham. Okay? Whoop, not yet.
not yet not yet
Not yet. The word is ham. Okay? The string is green. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, they're finished here. Very good.
Oh, that's okay.
All right. So very good. So this group gets how many points? 2 points. Don't worry.
And
You-
this group get 1
Yes,
point.
you get 1 point. So 2 and 1. Now the first student, yes, you go to the back. Next. Okay, next. All right. The color of the string is orange. The color of the string is orange. Okay? The word is happy. Wait, 1, 2, happy, okay? Orange and happy. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, they're done here. Very good. Okay.
That's okay together.
Together,
at the
teacher?
same time.
Same time, but the string. Okay, so now you have 2 points, 3, and this one also have 3 points. So 3 and
2 points. So 4 and 3.
4 and 3. Okay, all right. Okay, next. Next, the color of the string is yellow. Okay, the color of the string is yellow. The word is hat. 1, hat. Hat. 1, 2, 3, go. Up, up. Okay. Oh, they're finished here first, the teacher. Very good. Good job. So now they have how many
So
points,
now
teacher?
5
5.
and 5 also. 5 and
Very
5.
good. Okay, next. Next. Okay. Now, I want you to pick this time the blue
Straight
string.
line, straight line.
The blue string. Okay, blue string.
Oh, sorry.
The word is hen. Wait. The word is hen. Blue string. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Very good. Good job. Good job. Very good. How many points now, teacher Nu?
Now 7 and 6.
Oh,
Very
only
good.
1. Don't worry, it's only 1. Very good. How are you doing there? Are you having a great time? Let's play more. Okay, next.
move here move here
Next, I want you to pick the red string. Okay, red string. And the word is, oh, you know this one already. Hill. Okay, hill. Now 1, 2, go!
That's okay
Okay.
ทำไม่เป็นอ่ะ
It's okay. It's okay.
That's okay
Very good. Okay, so how many points, Teacher Nook?
Oh now 8 and 8
Oh, it's the same. So 8 and 8.
Eight.
Very good. Okay. Did you have fun? Good.
Yes.
Okay, did you have fun? Yes. Okay. Now, our next activity is that we will be giving you a worksheet, okay, to practice our reading and matching again. Okay, so Teacher Nook and Teacher Louise will provide you worksheets. Okay, so this one first one is you will match the words with a picture, and then this one, the next is you will look at the picture and you will write the words here on this table. You will complete the table.
เด็กๆ คะกิจกรรมตัว H ของเรานี่นะคะแบ่งเป็น2ส่วนนะคะด้านบนเหมือนบนกระดานเลยที่เด็กๆเพิ่งเล่นเกมกันเสร็จนะคะเราจะจับคู่รูปภาพกับคำศัพท์นะคะโดยการใช้ดินสอนะคะ use your pencil draw a line ขีดเส้นลากจับคู่นะคะส่วนด้านล่างเนี่ยมีรูปภาพให้เด็กๆอยู่นะคะแล้วให้เขียนตัวอักษรลงไปช่องที่1ช่องที่2ช่องที่3ช่องละ1ตัวนะคะเช่นคำแรกเนี่ย hen นะคะhen ถ้าเด็กๆไม่แน่ใจนะคะเช็คคำตอบบนกระดานได้นะคะพร้อมหรือยังคะเดี๋ยวเราจะทำใบงานพร้อมกันนะคะโอเคค่ะ
Okay, so this is our next activity, the worksheet, okay, to practice our writing and matching with the pictures. Okay, please don't forget to write your name, your class, and your number.
อย่าลืมนะคะตรงนี้1ช่องต่อ1ตัวอักษรนะคะ very good here hen
Look at the picture there. You can also have the option to write 3 words together. One blank, like Gun is doing.
yes yes
Very good. If you're finished, just put your pencils down. Just wait.
oh and the most important thing don't forget that letter H has a long line
Yes.
up otherwise it will be N
Yes.
เด็กๆอย่าลืมนะคะตัว H ของเราเนี่ยหางจะลากขึ้นไปด้านบนนะคะถ้าเด็กๆเขียนตัว H หางสั้นแค่นี้นะคะไม่มีหางลากขึ้นไปเนี่ยจะกลายเป็นตัว N นะคะลากหางขึ้นไปด้านบนสูงๆเลยนะคะอย่าลืมนะคะ
Okay. Another thing, you can also for this table, so you can let the kids write each word, each letter. So H, E, and N for hen. Or you have the option to let them write like the whole word for 3 times. Okay, so hen, hen, hen. Or you can write hen. Okay, like that. Okay, everybody's finished here? Are you finished? Good, very good. Okay.
You're almost finished
There, teacher almost finished.
Yes.
Okay.
Quickly.
Excellent job. Very good job. Okay. All right. So please give your paper to teacher.
return to teacher
All right. Now, I want you to look at
very good
the board. Okay. Now that you're finished with your worksheet, I want you to look at the board. Okay. We will review the words that we have learned, Okay, let's repeat after teacher first. Hen,
hen
hen,
hen
hot,
hot
hot,
hot
ham,
ham
ham,
ham
hill,
hill
hill,
hill
happy,
happy
happy.
happy
You smile also happy because it's happy, okay? Happy.
happy
Head,
head
head,
head
hat,
hat
hat.
hat
Okay, this time I want you to read the word but. I want you to say hen, hot. All right? Okay?
yes
All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
hen
Very good. Very good. So the sound that we have learned for in this period is what sound? And that is letter. What letter? What letter? H. And the sound of letter H is? And what is the action? Can you still remember? Again, let's do that one again. Very good. Very good. Okay? So thank you, everyone.
thank you teacher no and teacher Louis and goodbye to our friends
Goodbye.